Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring bills in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one, so let's get straight into it. The first step is to go to the recurring transactions page. From the gear icon in your dashboard that's in the top right corner, you're going to select recurring transactions. Step 2 is to create a new template. Click new and then choose bills as the transaction type and then click OK. Step 3 is to enter vendor and payment details. Fill in the vendor name, expense category, amount, and of course the payment terms. Step 4 is to set the recurrence. Under the recurrence settings, you want to choose how often the bill should repeat. Could be weekly, monthly, etc. And then set the start date. Step 5 is to save the templates. Click Save Templates and QuickBooks will now automatically create the bill based on your set schedule. A pro tip is to use recurring bills for fixed monthly expenses like rent, utilities, or subscriptions to save time. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.